the aluminium tin can will always be recyclable. Unlike plastic, aluminium never deteriorates, no matter how often it's melted down and used again. Aluminium cans are so lightweight that it's hard to believe that they're made from a huge roll of aluminium sheeting that weighs 9 tons. The sheet is about 1.5 meters wide, and a roll like this is long enough to make 750,000 drink cans. The sheet feeds into a press that punches out round pieces that'll be formed into cans. The punch press actually performs 2 operations. It punches out a disc 14 centimeters in diameter, then bends it into a cup. What's left of the sheet gets compacted and sent back to the aluminium factory, where it's recycled into new rolls. The cup goes into a machine called the draw and iron body maker. A tool draws out the aluminium, forming the body of the can. The tool is lubricated so it won't tear the aluminium while stretching it. The lubricant also acts as a coolant because the aluminium heats up as it's being worked. Once the body is formed, a trimmer cleans and straightens the edges. Now the cans move along, upside down on the conveyor belt, over to the washer. The washer performs a 6-stage cleaning. The first 2 washes are in hydrofluoric acid at 60 degrees Celsius. The last 4 washes are in deionized water, neutral water with no pH, also at 60 degrees. The cans come out of the washer and go under the hot air dryer. They're now shiny because the hydrofluoric acid wash removed a thin surface layer of aluminium. Next, a roller passes over the cans, coating the bottom rims with varnish. This coating allows the cans to slide easily on conveyor belts and in vending machines, and shows up as a blue ring under an ultraviolet light. The cans are now ready to be printed. This rotation printing system can apply up to 5 colours, one at a time. Then a layer of varnish is applied to protect the ink. Even in slow motion, it's a high-speed operation. And here's the actual speed: 1,800 cans per minute. Next, the cans fly through an oven that instantly hardens the ink and dries the protective varnish. Next, the machine sprays a water-based varnish on the inside of the cans. This creates a barrier between the drink and the aluminium, so the drink won't end up tasting like metal. It also prevents the aluminium from being eaten away from the inside by the acid in carbonated drinks. Next, the cans go through a machine called the necker, which forms a 5-centimeter neck on the can. This is done gradually in 11 steps, so as not to puncture the paper-thin aluminium. The next machine, called the flanger, forms a curved-over edge at the top of the can, which will later attach to the pull-tab cover. The cans pass through a sophisticated vision system that photographs the inside of each can. Any can that doesn't meet standards, that has a bump or some ink inside, is sent back for recycling. From here, they're shipped to the drinks company, which fills them and then attaches the pull-tab cover. So now you know, you can start the whole process off by recycling your cans.